Namaskar, hello everybody. Hi, how are you all doing today? Okay, here I'm back with another video for the week starting from 28th June 2020 to the 4th July 2020. Hi, this is Anita Ajaypai, your tarot card reader, back with three different spreads. Group number 1 is rose quartz, group number 2 is clear quartz, and group number 3 is lemon quartz. So I've kept the angels here. You can pause for a second, meditate on the cards, meditate and just check which color angel or which crystal connects with you, and then fast forward the video accordingly, or you can see for the time stats in the description box and then have a look at what's there in the store for you guys this week. Also, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and my Instagram handle pages and my Facebook pages. I'm really thankful, immense gratitude to all of them who have already subscribed my pages. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, so people who have selected group number 1, that is rose quartz. Let's see what's in the store for you guys this week. These are the angelic messages. I've just picked up one card. Okay, all right, so people who have selected this group number 1, I would say something that this is not a favorable time for you. Yes, there are a lot of things which you've been losing. There would be issues with money, there would be issues with family, there would be issues with your health, there would be a lot of issues with negativity surrounding your life, and a lot of things which is not working in your favor. Of course, the time is not favorable, yes, but it doesn't mean that you are completely lost in that negative feeling, and then you just worry and wonder all the time that why this has happened to you, or whatever is happening, and how why you, and all of these is no point of worrying. Okay, the more you worry, the more problems you attract, the more negativity you attract. So my sincere request is kindly focus a little more on being creative, focus more on understanding the solution, or focusing on the solution rather than focusing on the problem. Please remember that if there is one door which is closed, there is another one opening. So you have to have that faith and trust in the Almighty and beautify your thoughts. This is my sincere request. You have to beautify your thoughts to develop a good life ahead, good week ahead. And whatever problems you're facing in your personal life, or your health, or your money, all this is just passing phase. Okay, please do not think that this is how it's going to be forever. These are all passing phase. So just have that faith in the Almighty and faith in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can achieve much more results, better results over anything in future. So right now, no matter how unfavorable the time is, yet you have it all in your hands. You can really see what is possible. Let's see what are the angels giving message. Okay, so Archangel Raphael, breathe, take several deep breaths and exhale slowly to awaken your energy and release old patterns. So there is something you have to let go, and you have to move ahead in your life, and that's possible when you breathe and call upon Archangel Raphael, who is a healing angel. He is always there to take care. In case you don't believe in angels, you can at least believe in that universal power. So feel that there is a green color aura around you, healing you and taking care of you, so that that will give you a confidence of being saved from whatever unfavorable times you are going through. And the therapy says, angel card therapy says that you have a natural ability to connect with the departed loved ones. Okay, so in case you are willing to communicate with your ancestors, or with somebody you have lost just now recently, if somebody has passed in your life, in your family, you can definitely connect with them. Or if you have lost your parents or your loved ones who you were very close to, but they passed away, you can definitely connect with them by just calling upon them, their soul, and their soul will definitely reach up to you to help you, to release you from whatever problems you're facing currently. Okay, so my sincere request and my sincere advice here is, do not let these negative times affect you so much that you forget the essence of living a happy life. Also, the remedy I would like to give you here, because it's an earth element card, 5 of Pentacles. Number 5 is for Mercury, and the direction for this is north side. So wherever you are, whichever place you like in your house to meditate, I would suggest that choose the north corner of that particular place and sit and meditate for a couple of minutes on praying to whichever God you connect with, whichever supreme power you connect with, and please do thank the Mercury, as they are the one who is giving you the Mercury is a planet which will support you in bringing up things for you. So my sincere advice would be, preferably on Wednesdays, if you can sit in the north side of the house or north side of the room, whichever you are in, and pray to the Almighty. It will really help you and it will take care of you. Thank you so much. Okay, so people who selected group number 2, that's Clear Scots. Let's see what's there in the store for you guys. Okay, well, this is a major card, a major arcana, and I would say that there are lots of mood swings. You would see a lot of road blocks in your life. You want to be happy, you can be happy, yet you are not able to be happy because of your mood, because people around. There are too many people who are taunting you, there are too many people who are coming in your way, there are the things are not in your favor, things are not going as per your wish and all of it. But still, there is a way where you can prosper. You can always find a way, you can always look for opportunities, provided you are opening up for it. You should not let yourself so low, you should not be so depressed, and not focus on your problems, but focus on the solutions and focus on what you can do to come out of this. Just be in the question, what else is possible here, what can you create here? With these kind of questions, even if you don't get the answers, it's perfectly fine, because the universe will always give you answers when you question, when you are in a question. So please be in the question of asking yourself, what else is possible here, how I can change this reality, and what else can I do here to create my life. So these are the questions you can be in, because you will find a way to come out of whatever the current situation is, as there is growth, there is ability for you to grow. It's just that you are not choosing it, you have to choose it. And the more focused you will be on finding the solution, the more focused you will be on creating an opportunity, the better it is for you. That's what I would sincerely suggest. And it's a moon card, so please pray to the moon. If you know any shlokas of moon, praising the moon, you can definitely do that. That will really help you. And whenever you are praying, you can sit in the northwest corner of the room, whichever you're comfortable in, or in your house, where in any part of the house which is the northwest corner, please sit at that particular place and pray to the Almighty. It will really give you a lot of benefits. This is what I would say. The angels also are saying that I am helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. Okay, so whatever mood swings you're carrying, however, because moon is a moon is a card which connects with relationship, and here Archangel Chamuel is also saying that she is helping you with your spiritual soulmate. So my sincere advice would be that look for the path of spirituality, rather than worrying about why things are not in your favor, or why things are not happening in the way it's supposed to happen. And please heal your heart chakra, the answer that you seek in your heart right now. Be open to giving and receiving love. So please heal your heart chakra. I would suggest that listen to chakra balancing music and fill yourself with green color aura and pray to Archangel Samuel, or you can pray to any god you connect with. It's perfectly fine. There is no necessity that you have to pray to this particular angel or to pray to this particular god. There's no rule like that. Just connect to whoever you can connect, whoever you want. In case you don't believe in God, please believe in the supreme power, that there is a power existing. In case you don't want to believe even that, still it is perfectly fine. Fill yourself with green color aura and it will really take care of yourself, and whatever your heart desires, you will surely win it, provided you look for the opportunities more over the problems you're facing right now. Thank you. Alright, the last and the final group, that was Lemon Scots. Now, people who've selected this, let's see what's in the store for you guys. Wow, okay. So, people who have selected Lemon Scots, for you guys, it's a new beginning. It's a earth element card, so money is pretty good. You might take up new opportunity, new job, or you might invest in new property, or you might see some new stuff happening in your life. It's perfect time for you to do any kind of earth related work. In case you are into real estate, you're going to see some good news coming your way. In case you are into shares, again you see some money flowing in happening. So it's a new beginning. It's a very positive card. It's a very prosperous card. So people who've selected Lemon Scots, God bless you guys. It's the new beginnings have started coming your way, and this is the right time to invest your money in right places. Of course, work upon where you have to invest. It will definitely give you good results. And people who are associated with anything to do with earth related jobs, like I told you before, it could be real estate, or it could be farming, it could be landscaping, it could be anything related to earth. You guys are going to really prosper. This is the time for you. This week is really favorable, and your relationships, everything is going to be very new, and there's a lot of new beginnings happening in your life. And the angels, okay, so again Archangel Samuel, who says peace comes from remembering that only love is real. Yes, so the more you love yourself, the more you spread love, you will have peace in life. So if you had any disputes with anybody, this is a new beginning for you, as you see that there's a divine hand supporting you. So forget all the past and just start it afresh, and then the more love you spread, the better it is for you. So peaceful life comes in with that. And angel therapy says your life purpose involves writing, reading, editing, or selling spiritually based books. So in case you are looking for a new parallel career or a new business or a new venture, you can just as a hobby, you can develop all these things. That's what the therapy cards are saying. So you can just focus on writing, reading, editing, or selling spiritually based books. So this will really help you bring in a lot of love and peace in your life, and that will help you start a fresh beginning or a new beginning. Thank you so much. Take care. Please stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourselves and your family. See you next week with a new video. Thank you.